Hey y'all, what's up? Charles here from AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. So I got a church contract. Well, not exactly a contract, but like a shake hand agreement. It's like over 4 acres. So it's on that front over there. There's a church, and like right there, there's like a field that doesn't belong to them. So all right here is gonna be 300. And if you look over there, there's like a trail that leads to their septic tank all the way in the back. That's gonna be another 200. That was 300 though, but the last Lawncare guy, he was doing it for 350 the whole thing. And I told him, hey sir, like it's gonna be $600, 300 for this side and 300 for the septic area. The lowest I could do is 500. You know, because really, y'all, it's just mowing, really. You know what I mean? But what do you think? Would you offer like a discount or like lower the price? I don't call it lowballing. I call it like a good deal because I'm really mowing for 200 bucks. But I'm gonna find out if it's a good deal. I'll let you know at the end, all right? Because see how long this takes. Well, I ain't doing that part right now. He just wants the front part done, which is $300. So let's see how fast I do that, all right? Oh, okay, so hey, I'll get back to you and I'll show you the after. All right, y'all, I am all done. It took me 2 hours and 10 minutes for this front part. All right, that's mowing, edging, and string trimming on this church side. That dark area over there, belongs to somebody else, all right? So the words were just lighter, that's the dormant grass. I mowed dormant grass today, but they wanted it mowed because there's weeds popping out. Over there, y'all, I don't know if you noticed the lighter area right there, that's a septic trail, and behind there's a septic tank area. All right, they want that done next week. This side was 1.9 acres, y'all. All right, so I quoted that at $300, and for over there, the septic trail and the septic area is gonna be $200. All right, they want that done next week. Hey, how would you quote this, y'all? All right, that was a blessing to get this opportunity to get this job. You know what I mean? This is my neighbor. This is his church. You know, so I thank God for putting them in my life, you know. So I always thank God if you have 5 houses, 10 houses, 3 houses, two commercial properties, 1 commercial properties, non-commercial properties. Thank God, all right? Thank God that you're alive. You have the opportunity to work, the opportunity to go out there and knock on doors and ask for more work, all right? So always thank God. So here's the 2024 setup right here. All right, I got the Echo 9010. Backpack blower. I'm gonna probably change that to the 580 T. It's a more lighter blower when the season starts. 42 inch, the 52 inch right there. 12 inch trailer, y'all. And on this side, I got the Stihl string trimmer and the Stihl Edger. Check it out. All right, Stihl. And I got my little skid board right here, just in case I get stuck. All right. Hey, tell me what you think. Please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Other than that, y'all, never quit and never give up. All right. Have you tagged your vehicle yet? If you haven't tagged it, tag it, y'all. Okay, get that phone number on there and everything. Hey, people start looking at your vehicle, y'all. They see like words on there and everything. They're curious, man. What is that? Oh shoot, Lawncare? Oh, they got a number on there. Let me take a picture of that with my camera. Tag your vehicle, y'all. Okay, trust me. You never know who might look at it. Take a picture of the phone number and call it, all right? Hey, it could be that property you need, you know what I mean, to earn that extra income for the family. Other than that, y'all, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.